Hi, today I'll show you how to make electric lighter, also a stun gun. It can produce high voltage that can burn anything with electric arcs, like this. See? And a stun gun can shock you with high voltage. However, a stun gun is prohibited in many countries. But it cannot produce such a high voltage that can harm you. It is only for usual uses. So let's make it. So friends, you can see I have connected the battery lines to the input of the charging module, and I have connected the high voltage transformer's negative wire to the negative output, and the positive wire is connected to the push switch. Then the positive output is connected to the SPST switch, and the SPST switch is connected to the push switch. So friends, I have connected LED here. The LED is connected as the transformer. So let's see the connection with the diagram picture. So friends, it's done. Let's try it.
Bruh.
Thank you friends for being with me. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, comment about it, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.